2000 thereabouts. Yeah.
2000 thereabouts. You were in Kumasi to shoot a movie.
Yeah.
KOJO NKANSA.
Yeah.
When you were in Nigeria, did you hear about him? KOJO NKANSA?
No. Until I got here.
Wow. Until you got here.
Yes.
You've been watching before?
No.
Wow.
Yeah. It's my first time meeting him.
Okay.
But he's a great big and great personality, I heard.
He's a great personality.
Oh, yeah, I heard. Yes.
Fantastic. So you are coming to do a movie with him. The movie title is A Country Called Ghana.
That's right.
And you're going to meet a lot of characters in Ghana too.
That's what I heard. Look at this.
This is all for you. It's all for you. Are you surprised?
Well, yeah. I've never been welcomed like this. I don't dance. I can't dance. Sorry.
You can dance.
Yes. So that is Ramsey. Ramsey, and then the squad.
Are you? Welcome to KUMASI. Thank you. Fantastic. Did you watch any movie that featured KOJO NKANSA? Have you watched it before?
I can hear you, there's noise here. But I know I love 1 and 3 here.
Okay.
Great reception. Great movement. I love that.
Another one.
All right, and yeah.
I didn't see you know. Hey, killer. That's a black. Killer. May ni komo kakra. Pass man. So who say you mo me? Who say you mo me?
Mesemo.
So who say you mo me?
Omo jago bra.
Omo jago bra. That's KOJO NKANSA no. We are here to support Ghana movie. Yeni ase be kuntokwa ne mo se be ya Ghana movie no. Ebe ko de ni enti na ye nyina ye wa hasabre. It's all about Ghana. It's all about KUMAWOOD. It's all about Ghana movies. And ye nyina ye wa hasa ye be support amadwuma no akọ nanim. Ejisa ne ye kasa Nigerians na ba betru. Actors in I'm from Nigeria, but I'm a country called Ghana movie. No, director Fifi Garben and a director Sam movie. No, on Rankasa so ever happy. You ever try to say no, you been in Komaka na Feno, you how and 7 Ankasa ACT. So far as their country called Ghana movie is concerned, KOJO NKANSA and 3 years, you know, Obo ni Sakura. And I mean, no pa, you will see what happen. And press conference back also on Wednesday for this particular movie. Director Fifi Garben, I say. Director Fifi Garben, so
I see Ghana as Ghana.
Wow.
You know?
Yeah.
You know, God save una.
Okay.
For this AFCON. We do what we do. Anyway, we just leave her for a host country.
Okay.
No, don't worry, we are here for something good.
Are you okay with the results you had on the AFCON?
We're okay with what we have.
Okay.
Anything God gives you, you take, you know?
I don't know why
We
Nigeria,
do our
anytime
best.
you lose match, you try to destroy things. Why?
I didn't see that.
I didn't see that.
I didn't see that.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see any destruction.
Okay.
Anyway, we are here for a good something. We are here for a movie.
Yeah.
And we are sure we are going to do our best.
Okay.
Lil Win, who is our Oga, who brought us to Ghana,
Okay.
we'll give him something he will be happy about. Don't worry, people will watch good movie. We there here. Hey,
We've been watching your
we
movies.
go fire on now. Fire on
Yes,
now.
we've been watching your
Lil Win,
movies.
yeah.
Anytime you've been joking in the movies, you always create comic. You want us to laugh all the time.
That's what I was paid for now. I was paid to make you laugh. And they are paid me to make you laugh, and I laugh, you cry. Which one do you You're supposed to have.
Of course now.
Yes. If I laugh and you cry, then I'm not doing my work.
Yes.
I'm supposed to be so that you laugh.
Exactly.
Yes, yes. So, but we are here to do more.
It's your first time being in Kumasi.
No, my first time being in Kumasi, yes. Yes, but in Accra, This is my second time being in Accra. Yeah, first in Kumasi.
I have a lot of fans in Kumasi.
We are looking for them. Let them come. We are here.
Tomorrow.
We want to see them all.
Yeah.
Let them come. Not fan now. Let them turn to television.
Okay.
Fan is we've taken enough fan.
A lot.
Either AC or television.
Of course.
One time.
Mhm.
So we'll
meet you at the film village.
We are there.
Meet you at the film village. Awilo, let me talk to Awilo. Awilo sharp. That's how we call you in Ghana.
Oh my God.
Do you know about that?
Yes.
That's your movie.
I'm intrigued by that. I never knew you guys watched that particular movie.
Yeah.
It's entertaining anyway.
Yeah, that's one movie that brought you fame in Ghana.
You don't mean
Awilo
it.
sharp. Yeah. Even your real name, people don't really know your real name.
Yeah.
They call you Awilo sharp.
Let me then give you my real name. My name is Victor Osuago.
Victor
Osuago.
It's my first time hearing this.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yes.
So you had it from the horse's mouth. It's not that I'm a horse.
Okay. All right. I was asking you that have you watched any movie that featured KOJO NKANSA?
Of course.
Okay.
I was able to recognize him immediately I saw him.
Okay.
Well, I have not met him physically like this, but when I saw him, I told him, I know you very well because I've watched so many of your works. He's a comic relief character. Okay. And now we are here to work with him again. It's wonderful. It's exciting. And it's going to be a wonderful collab.
Okay.
You know, the musicians, they say they are collaborating. And this one is collaboration. Connecting Ghana to Nigeria. I know what that means.
Yes.
It's going to be a
Boom.
To time, we see you doing movies, a lot of people. But these days, we don't see you in most of the Nigerian movies.
Not exactly. I do. I see you. It's my first primary assignment.
Okay.
Like when you are growing up in the industry, you need to define some other areas.
Of course.
I produce my movie now, and I take care of other business that I have already established so that they will not be wasted. I ventured into politics.
Okay.
I ventured into politics. I was given an appointment sometime as director for Council for Arts and Culture.
Wow.
So that took a lot of my time anyway.
Okay. So because of that is not giving you the chance to do more movies now because now you are a politician.
And not exactly full politician. Once in a while we dive into things that can make you more relevant in the society. I just felt that there is an area where you can give out to the people.
Of course.
Which is politics, try to serve the people through the entertainment. People have given you a platform to work on. And why not, pay them back?
Yeah, exactly.
Once an opportunity comes like that,
You have to grab
pay
it.
them back.
Yeah, we have to
serve
grab
them
it.
to the way they have given you that platform. So I just felt it's my time now to serve them maybe through politics.
Of course.
Which I did, and we did it right anyway.
Okay. But we love watching you together with Aki and Popo anytime you guys work together.
that because there's a synergy. There's a synergy that connects us together. Just like my friend from there, that one to another mumu.
Okay.
You work with some colleagues of yours who knows all the ngongos. You know what I mean by ngongo? Yes. When you know all the ngongos, search for it in dictionary. When you know all the ngongos that are involved, when you talk to somebody, it's like when you're on set and you are talking, you are delivering your line, your partner should be able to respond to you spontaneously without waiting of what to answer. He has already have the answer. When you start talking, the guy get the answer to respond, and it makes the work so easier for you.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, that is, I'll call him Awilo Sharp. Just that I can't keep his real name in mind. Awilo Sharp in any dim komono. Me try se menya KOJO NKANSA lewe na kasa na me no so di komo kakra. Ai, ono kasa ha.
Nigerian fanya advance na yeko from Nigeria. Eji aso yeko mu twas be 4 times. Afi me here Hollywood artist. Ghana fan kwa aska fan ka bom na man fa me kwa man ko Hollywood. Ghana for
Fantastic. Pacho, can say you're moving a pacho.
Yeah.
Pacho. Almost one can say.
Na mo so mu di ba tra pacho.
What pacho be very what? One can say.
Akam so. Yana me abi diagro.
Okay.
Asa yana mi diagro.
Say no make say bi ma.
Bi be me bi na yana ebufu ni mo se na mo tete ye no se na se tete mo but me no bi any issue e wodo we enkanua majidu ameka o minister matter e ba ko ya e ba ko shiri ya na be kan to kwa ya na be ko ya na be funfu ya ho papa we ko be o my god you peja to kwase no bi
ya me shira KOJO NKANSA
Ti na be na court no mata kuma court no ko say
ene de se mo si ya me nti ma no rekatu
also we say about 8 days sir
minimum de
ya onya summons letter bia
many afro ana manu akata na maso asinti no
na krama ya so e Ghana
kama na ni kama ya ka bi ba ka no me what ko se no wudi ana sana Ghana o Ghana ne ko ba Ghana
Nigeria still don't bring up ka be sense ka o discuss na be ko for Nigeria
yes guys say me ka munyi me ka ba kebi ejuma me ye Ukwezi mo sana sana bila kwa ngengi.
KOJO NKANSA la wena no. Wednesday press conference no. The Nigerians are here. I will sharp. I will. You are welcome to Ghana. Ramsey Noah. Welcome to Ghana. Welcome to Ghana. This is Kumasi. Ghana as well.
Is Ghana?
Yes, part of Ghana.
You didn't tell us we are going to Ghana.
You've been to Accra.
You didn't tell us we are going to Ghana.
You don't know where you
Is this Ghana?
Casting the board. You can salary. Okay. Abaje.
I can't record Ghana.
Ramsey has finished close.
Okay. What is Yes.
I can't show answer. Guys, I can't show convoy pa. Who convoy?